We're stupid. Okay, here. We're gonna try the banana ones.
Banana cookies.
Chocolate. I mean,
Chocolate covered dick.
I'm sorry. It's just diarrhea in the mouth.
Look, it has monkeys. Oh, I thought it had monkeys. Look at his back. No. Those are monkeys.
Oh god. Okay, so this is what we're trying now. It's a chocolate covered banana. Or if you're me, you say something different. Why do they all look like beautiful steaks? Beautiful, beautiful steaks. Steaks of life. Get the fuck out. Stop being a bitch.
No.
I feel like they're just gonna all over the place. I would be like, no, like what I did earlier today with my sister had made brownies. And it wouldn't come out of the pan. I was like, and I grabbed it, it said whoosh, and it landed underneath the table. I was like, how the fuck did it do that? My sister was like, 5-second rule. And I was like, it's been like 30 minutes, damn it. Because it took me a minute to find it.
If you're lucky, you would have snapped them all in.
No.
Why does mine look weird? Look at that. Like all.
Yours was circumcised.
Yeah.
Yeah, basically. Okay. Kind of smells like banana.
So I guess it's supposed to be a chocolate covered, banana covered chocolate.
Yeah.
Mine dropped.
Yeah,
Kind of tastes like banana
she's
bread.
inhaling it again.
It kind of tastes like banana bread, like a fate tasting it. Fate tasting banana bread. That's
It's
good,
not like
though.
it's not like normal chocolate either. It's like yogurt or something.
Mm-hmm.
Really good.
At the Walmart parking lot.
I bet you we're gonna have a lot of views just because we're 3 girls in a bedroom.
Being stupid. Mentally challenged. Because that's what we are. I just want to open this because it looks so pretty. I don't know why. It's just fucking pretty.
What is that?
I think this one's also... Fuck.
She's choking on the pencil dick again.
Shut up.
Go stick. No.
Okay. Brooklyn's gonna be all like...
Brooklyn would
"Yes."
be proud.
She wouldn't be proud. She'd be like... No. No, fuck. We were at... Oh, look, there's 2. We'll just open one. Where were we? Oh my god. We went out to eat. And Brooke was back there. And I'm like... I don't know her. I was like...
We're still recording, right?
It'll be okay. It's fine. It's
We
going on
have to.
YouTube. YouTube's full of weirdos and... Oh, shit. Oh my god. These things are huge.
That's what she said.
No!
And it broke. It smells like catnip.
Oh shit!
It smells like catnip.
It smells like hamster food. Like the whole little hamster cave.
It's like chuggers. Come here.
Okay, one.
Wait, hold on.
It smells like tea.
Yeah.
Does this have chocolate in it? Because if not, I'm gonna give it chocolate.
I think it's supposed to be a pretzel stick.
Mm-hmm. It's very naturey.
It
Your
has
girls
no
would be
chocolate.
proud.
Come here. Or chop, chop, chops.
It tastes like seaweed.
Mm-hmm.
It's got a seaweedish flavor to it.
It really does. That's probably why it smells like catnip to me. What are you doing, Chub Chubs?
I think it is, but who the fuck knows?
It had green tea powder in it.
Mm-hmm.
Some kind of powder. More powder.
All sorts of powder.
Oh look, condensed milk. Green tea powder.
Put this in there.
Juice powder.
The fuck is juice powder?
No.
Juice powder. Alright, we gotta try these. These are the ones that go in the microwave.
Do I have to put it in the microwave?
Yup. Have a break. Have a Kit Kat.
You're a Kit Kat.
Sounds so weird.
We'll try that last.
Yeah.
Ooh,
But
we're going on
nice
a field
to
trip
know.
to the kitchen.
What? We're just knocking shit over.
You mean you're knocking
Shut up,
shit
because
over.
she's done it earlier. Don't worry, your turn is coming up.
Yes.
Here, let's try these then. What the fuck are these? Mixed
Bananas.
fruit chips. Let's see, it's got...
Where did this come from?
That's not in English. Okay, here we go. The story began more than 20 years ago by a young man
That
coming
doesn't
from a
sound like
poor farmer
ingredients.
family. I know. Which had 9 sons and daughters. What the fuck were you doing? Damn, just popping around.
Like 9 sons and 9
9
daughters.
daughters, yes.
Oh.
From his
18 kids. Dang, by the time they had the last one, the first one done left the house.
Exactly. From
Then the
his
kid would be proud.
from his name, Levine, whatever, which means forest and garden,
Ooh.
and his zodiac animal, ox. It is believed that his fate would be tied with agriculture, whatever.
Agriculture.
Whatever. I don't even fucking know. I can't fucking see this.
I'm the one who took the Benadryl.
Shut up. Growing up in the 80s of last century,
Oh.
seeing plenty of fruits rotting because Vietnam did not have a post-harvest processing technology. Yeah, I don't care anymore.
Nom. That's all you need to know. Nom.
I just don't care no more to read. Oh my god. First off, you see this material that it's made out of? Like, why?
Alright, you hold one end and I'll just...
Why?
Where the scissors at? We don't need a
What the fuck
taser.
is the taser gonna do?
The taser's not gonna
Each
look
person
so
holding
good.
is gonna get fucking tased. This is
She's
metal.
gonna shoot the bag open.
You don't see anything.
That's gonna be it for us. She's gonna shoot the bag open.
It's our last resort.
That's where the video
Oh, I
ends.
got it. I have an
I
idea.
don't know where to. Oh, here's a knife.
I was about to get my knife.
Dang. I forgot where my knife went.
I can get a knife somewhere. Hi, Kitty. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Here you go.
He saw me get that gun out.
Got all excited. He's like, who we killing?
Oh, he doesn't like the gun.
My husband is on lunch break.
Oh, is he
Oh,
coming
God.
over here?
I don't think so. He probably has to go back around 11. So by the time he gets here, he's gonna have to go back that way.
I don't know. It smells like ranch dressing. I don't know.
So what?
It makes me not want to eat it now. Alright, hold up. Ooh, it's a pineapple.
I say at least it doesn't smell like potpourri.
Look at this pineapple.
Oh, they're legit like fruit.
pineapple.
They're actual fruit chips. What is this?
Whoa.
I don't know what this is, but it's good.
What's pineapple?
Something purple. What is purple?
It's probably a sweet potato. They have purple sweet potatoes.
I don't know if they are. They're good. I think this is a mango chip.
What is that?
I don't know.
See, there's
It's good though.
should be mangoes in there somewhere.
This is apple.
That's why I like it.
Jackfruit, banana, pineapples, sweet potatoes, and I don't know what a taro is, but one of those is in there too.
I don't know what that is. That's what that is.
They were made in canola oil. These are good. I win another round.
I think we're all winning.
Opening it though was not a no. That was a terrible choice. The wrapper was a terrible choice. That's it.
Oh god.
What is that? That's probably a